Hi guys, a few months ago I made a post concerning optimal trading robots. Now I want to show you a clips of what is going on with the optimal trading robot. Now this strategy is going on with optimal trading robot. So this is a program that is going on. So I'm still working on this. So I made a post and most people keep asking me when is the trading robot coming out, when is trading robot coming out. Now I want to show you a clips of what is going on behind the scene of optimal trading robot. So on my screen now you will see a channel, you will see a three blue lines and three red lines, and you will see charts between the lines. Now, this is one of the testing strategies going on right now with the optimal trading robot. Do you understand? All right. So I'm still testing the profitability of this particular strategy. Do you understand? All right. So this is it. Optimal trading robot is still on the process. So this is, let me give you a clips of what is going on with optimal trading robots, how they trade. One of the like as I said, this is one of the strategies that is going on right now. It is under testing. Do you understand? All right, now let me give you clips of what is going on with it. Now on my screen now you will see charts in between the blue lines and the red lines. Now this is what actually the clips, or what actually the optimal trading robots wants to achieve with this. As you can see now, this is whenever the chart touches the blue line, at any point the chart touches the blue line, that is what a sell. That's what a sell signal at this point. This is a sell signal at this point. This is what a sell signal, depending on the risk to reward ratio being set. You understand? The robot will take profits at the appropriate time. Do you understand? Now at when the candlestick touches the red line like this point, this is a buy signal for the robot. This is what a buy signal. All these points are what buy signals. Do you understand? As he's buying, is what taking its what profit as it's been programmed. Do you understand? All right. So at this point, when the candlestick touches the blue line, when the candlestick touches the blue line, like this point, this is what a sell signal. Do you understand? So here is what a buy signal. Do you understand? So this is just a clips of what is going on with optimal trading robots, as you can see. So at any point the candlestick touches the red line, at any point the candlestick touches the red line, that is what a buy signal. As you can see, this is a buy signal. This here is what a buy signal. Here is also a buy signal. Here is also a buy signal. As he's buying, as he's trading, is what taking is what profit. So here is what a sell signal. Here is what a buy signal. Do you understand? All right, this is actually what is going on with the optimal trading robots. Do you understand? Still on the testing phase. Do you understand? Still on the testing phase. So that is it. That is it. As you can see, once the candlestick touches the red lines, at this point here, this is a buy signal. Here is what a sell signal. Here is what a buy signal. Here is what sell signal. Here is another sell signal. Here is what another sell signal. Do you understand? So as is buying and selling, is taking what is profits. Do you understand? Accordingly. Do you understand? So this is a clips of what is going on. with optimal trading robot. This is one of the testing strategies. This is one of the strategies that's been under testing. There are a lot of strategies, do you understand? So this is one of the strategies that's going on with optimal trading robots. So I want to show you guys what is going on with optimal trading robots. So as we proceed with the testing, depending on the rate of accuracy, do you understand? When we are satisfied with the accuracy, we launch it. Do you understand? So we are still on the testing phase. Do you understand? Like as I said, I've shown you the concept behind the strategy. Once the candlestick touches the blue line, that is what a sell signal. Here is a sell signal. So here is what a buy signal. So here is what a sell signal, as you can see. So this is a high profitable, as I say, this is what a high profitable strategy by looking at it. So we are still working on it. So OPTIMERFX trading robots is on the way. Do you understand? So we are still testing a high level or the profitability, the accuracy, the high level of accuracy, the level of accuracy we can get with optimal trading robots. Do you understand? All right, so we are still on it. So as you can see, here is what a sell signal. So this is a volatility 10 index on 4-hour time frame and testing with a volatility 10 index on 4-hour time frame. So this is a once the candlestick touches the red line is a buy signal. So here is what a buy signal. There's a lot of profit. So here is what sell signal. So as you can see, there are a lot of profits. So at this point, this is what a buy signal. Once the candlestick touches the red line, this is what a buy signal. So once the candlestick touches the blue line, it is what a sell signal. So guys, this is what is going on with the optimal trading robots. Still under testing. So we are still testing the level of is accuracy. So once we are satisfied with the rates of accuracy, optimal trading robot will go live. Like as I said, once the candlestick touches the red line, like in this case, this is what a buy signal. Do you understand? This is a buy signal. Here is a sell signal. Do you understand? Here is what a sell signal. Here is what a buy signal. So guys, this is a clips of what is going on with optimal trading robots. Still under, we are still testing it, testing the high level of is accuracy. So this is just a clips of what is going on with optimal trading robots. Like as I said, I made the post a few months ago, and a lot of people are asking how far when is optimal trading robots coming out. So I'm just giving you behind the scene of what we are working on. Do you understand? Once the candlestick touches the blue line, this is what a confirmed sell signal. This is a confirmed sell signal. Do you understand? So here is a confirmed sell signal. Like as I said, as the robot is trading, is taking its profit. So here is another sell signal. Do you understand? So once the candlestick touches the blue line, that is what is sell signal. Once the candlestick touches the red lines, is what a clear buy signal. So as you can see, so far we are somehow satisfied with the level of accuracy, but we are still testing. We are still what testing. You understand? We are still testing it. So we want to we want to be fully satisfied before launching it. So this is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. Here where the candlestick touches the red line is a buy signal. So here is another sell signal. You understand? So this is what is going on with optimal trading robots. So we are still working on it. We are still working on it. So for those of you guys asking when is optimal trading robot is coming out, so I want you to do what? To be patient. You understand? We are still working on it, and very soon we are going to launch optimal trading robot. Do you understand? So it's not a easy venture, but we are still doing all our best to ensure that a high level of accuracy is achieved. Do you understand? All right, guys, this is Optimal FX where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video of what is coming, what is about to come out, share the video. Do you understand? If you have any question, use the comment section and I will be glad to answer you. Do you understand? All right. Thank you.